In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this potion mesh. Let's create a sphere. In edit mode, type 3 to face select, and C to circle select. Let's delete the selected faces, type 2 to edge select, and alt select an edge loop like this. Type E to extrude, and S to scale. The top edge loop needs to be correctly positioned, and that will be corrected later in the video. Let's create another sphere. Go to edit mode, type 3 to face select, and remove the top half like this. Select an edge loop, and type F to fill. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on, and I have also adjusted certain material settings as well. It seems when I scaled the top edge loop after extruding, it wasn't properly centered. This is the glass material I have used. Please match my settings. This was the potion material. Let's solidify the glass mesh. After that, I copied and pasted both meshes like this, and changed the potion material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.